These are rare photographs from history, presented with context and accuracy. To see more historical photos, you can subscribe to our channel. A detachment from the Nazi Volunteer Legion Netherlands parades at The Hague in 1941. A girl in roller skates looks at a British soldier, Northern Ireland, 1972. A Ku Klux Klan initiation ritual in Georgia, May 1946. A Marine with the 7th War, Dog Platoon takes a nap while his war dog stands guard, Iwo Jima, February 1945. A photo of children of the Russian famine, 1922. A sergeant of the Royal Army Veterinary Corps bandages the wounded ear of Jasper, a mine-detecting dog at Bayeux in Normandy, July 1944. A woman in a famine-struck region, Henan Province, China, 1943. Adolf Hitler attending the funeral of Kurt Eisner, a Jewish socialist revolutionary and minister-president of Bavaria, Munich, 1919. André Maginot, Minister of War, posing with the tomb of the Unknown Soldier, 1919. Archduke Franz Ferdinand on an elephant hunt, Sri Lanka, 1893. Bee bearding is wearing hundreds of bees on your face and body like a beard. This picture from 1930 really brings the concept to life. Captured Soviet soldier, left, photographed after reportedly converting to Islam while in Mujahideen captivity, Afghanistan, 1980s. Charlie Chaplin returns to England, 1921. Child being bathed by an older girl, probably a sister, as part of New York City Department of Health Little Mothers League. Circle swing at Luna Park, Coney Island, New York, 1905. Croatian Ustasi and Home Guard with Serbian Chetniks forming an alliance against the partisans in Axis-occupied Yugoslavia, 1942. Daughters of Tsar Nicholas II and his son Alexei after the arrest by the Bolsheviks, May 1917. Dwight D. Eisenhower cries before an audience of veterans in 1952 as he recalls the sacrifices soldiers made on D-Day. Families struggling during the 1921 Russian famine. Farouk the Fire, the exiled king of Egypt, takes a walk by the pool in Italy, 1953. Filler names Frank Sinatra and his parents in Las Vegas, 1965. Girls and boy getting ready for a minstrel show, Ashwood Plantations, South Carolina, May 1939. Irma Grese, nicknamed the Beautiful Beast, pictured with Joseph Kramer, who was the commandant of Auschwitz, and later Belsen concentration camps, 1944. Israeli troops invading Lebanon during the second Israeli invasion of Lebanon, 1982. Joseph Mengele in the middle, also known as the Angel of Death, poses for a photo in 1944. King Peter I of Serbia, after coronation, 1904. Liberation of Soviet prisoners of war by US forces from a camp, Germany, April 1945. Marine calms weeping comrade after the death of his friend Okinawa, May 1945. Marvin Gaye Sr. is arrested for killing his son, Marvin Gaye, April 1984. Members of the Communist Party of Burma manufacturing ammunition sometime in the 1970s Mexican Brachero, workers on train to be distributed to Arkansas Valley, Colorado, May 1943. Mexican immigrants aboard a U.S. Border Patrol truck in California for mass deportation to Mexico, California, June 1954. Mugshot of Czesława Kwoka, a Polish child that was killed at Auschwitz in 1943. Muhammad Ali, painting at his Pennsylvania home, 1970. Nazi executing prisoners of wars. Nazi guard Jenny Wanda Bachmann poses in front of a pile of shoes at Stutthof concentration camp in occupied Poland, 1943. One of 16 million mercy dogs training to recover injured soldiers, 1917. Parade of Franco's victorious troops in Madrid, May 1939. Passengers being weighed before boarding a French airliner's plane, 1929. Photo of ethnic German civilians in Czechoslovakia being rounded up in Borislavka cinema to later be executed, May 1945. Photographer in plane taking photos of atomic bomb test Bikini Atoll, 1946. President Warren Harding throwing out the first ball at the opening game of the American League season. Senators versus Yankees, Washington, April 1922. Sami soldier Raja Jovna with a reindeer at an armory during the last year of the Continuation War, May 1944. Sabrina Harmon poses for a photo behind naked Iraqi detainees forced to form a human pyramid, while Charles Grainer watches school children saying the Pledge of Allegiance, United States, 1930s. Teenage girls at the school cafeteria counter in Woodrow Wilson High School, Washington, 1943. The coronation of Tribhuvan as King of Nepal, February 1913. The Tsar Bell at the Kremlin in Moscow is the largest ever cast, weighing over 200 tons and standing more than 6 meters tall. Tibetan monks surrender their firearms to the Chinese PLA after failed rebellion, 1959. Trackers puling the boat against current on the River Yangtze, 1923. Vladimir Lenin poses for camera, Moscow, 1922. Walini was a Cherokee woman who lived on the Qualla Reservation. She allowed James Mooney to take this picture of her in 1888. Wounded combat dog receiving medical attention during action on the Orote Peninsula, 1944. Young girls emulating nurses during the Blitz, 1940s.